China EverBen RainCoat Manufacturer started to produce and export custom waterproof garments in 1997. The bulk raincoats factory have audited by ISO and PSCI, and our raincoats should be manufactured to the highest standards, complying with USA and EU regulations. We have a 35,000 square meters factory area including 800 workers. Production factory is located in Lingshu country, Shijiazhuang, which includes 5 table cutting workshops, 3 sewing workshops, 2 plastic materials production workshops, 4 welding workshops, and 2 packing workshops. We produce and export around 800,000 to 1 million pieces of waterproof garments every year all over the world. Includes nylon rain jackets, polyester rain ponchos, motorcycle raincoats, plastic EVA PEVA raincoats, long raincoats, rain capes, EVA clear rain jackets, black rain ponchos. The EVA raincoats are lightweight, excellent flexible, reusable, eco-friendly, degradable, and phthalate-free, and comply with ROHS and Prop 65 regulations. Our PVC raincoat welding workshop can produce custom case raincoats, printing PVC rain jackets, all-over printing rain ponchos, double layers PVC rain suits, children's rain capes, kids babe and painting aprons, and PVC transparent rain jackets, black rain ponchos. China EverBen waterproof rain poncho manufacturer does 5,000 pieces PVC vinyl rain capes and raincoats with printing one day. Our PE raincoat workshop produces PE disposable rain ponchos, PE emergency raincoats for outdoor events, promotional activities, sports games, music festivals, and so on. Make 20,000 pieces of PE rain ponchos one day. Our QC team checks the quality from materials to finished raincoats upon ISO rules, inspects fabrics and plastic film thickness before production, inspects quality while sewing garments and welding raincoats. We made sure our waterproof garments, rainwear, and other plastic products can be satisfied with the buyer's special quality requirements one by one before packing and shipping. 2 warehouses of about 800 square meters for ready-packed raincoats, waiting for transport to seaport for our world buyers.